Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created His own pair, Eve, Hawa. وَبَثَّ مِنْهُمَا رِجَالًا كَثِيرًا وَنِسَاءً. And from these two souls, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent countless numbers of men and women. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي تَسَاءَلُونَ بِهِ وَالْأَرْحَامِ. And fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whom by His name all of you will appeal to one another. And fear, honor your family ties, your ties of kinship, your relatives. Revere the womb that bore you.
الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also said, وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ أَنْ خَلَقَ لَكُم مِّنْ أَنفُسِكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا. And from His signs, He created from among yourselves your pairs, your spouses. وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَكُمْ مَوَدَّةً وَرَحْمَةً. And has placed between the two of you love and mercy.
As the seasons go, every wonder, every winding road. My darling, you're so beautiful. All these days to have and hope.
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Himself was the one who decided it. 70,000 years before the creation of the heavens and the earth, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded the pen to write maqadira kulli shay, the qadar of everything from the beginning of time until the end of time. And that includes the spouses, the pairs that we have today. So we believe that this union of two souls is a sacred bond in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this union of these two souls is a sacred bond and was decided by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala long before the creation of the heavens and the earth.